if your Legion Pro or Legion Dual doesn't show notifications, I have a solution for you, General. So you need to go to security right here. It looks like that. Then you need to go to acceleration, but first you can see here at the end the logs will show you the app that were accelerated or closed, right, killed. So for that we need to shut down acceleration. So go to acceleration, go to settings, and turn off this auto release memory. See, I already turned it off. You need to turn off, and then here you have the protection list, the white list, right? So you'd want to add all your apps right here. Just click on plus, and here I have a few apps that I did not add, so just add them here. And after that you'd want to go to auto start here and just click the first number here and go to that lock icon on top. So that's the whitelist, right, the protection list, and add all your apps here, right, like that. That will also make your apps auto start. It will not kill any apps when turning on your phone. And then go to second number right here and do the same. Go to the lock icon on top, click on the plus icon and add all of your apps right here, like that. Okay, so after that, what you can do as well, you can go to settings, then go to apps, and then go to the 3 points on top, click on special app access, go to battery optimization and just turn off everything. That will also make your app running without being shut down by the security app. Yeah, just everything you need to make sure it's closed. Then what you can also do is go to device admin apps, and for example I have Outlook, so I run my email through Outlook, and for it being the admin app on the device, it will never close the app, right? I will always receive my email notification through this app because it's the admin app here. You cannot uninstall it or kill it without first deactivating the device admin app status. So that's my recommendation for the notification problem on Legion Pro.